as a marketer, the closer you can get to metrics you can buy a beer with, the better, right? And so MQLs don't matter unless you get enough SQLs. SQLs don't matter unless you get enough short-term pipeline. I mean, again, like this is where a bottoms-up mentality to not only building a budget, but also building a model is really, really important. What are the results? What do I need to get there? More is not better. Better is better. So I also think like MQLs too often is a game that can be gamed, and you can focus. It's a path towards saying, okay, we need more. I think we've taught boards to appreciate that up into the right chart of more leads, and making a switch to say like we're focusing more on quality, and that may mean that we're generating fewer. Our metrics might be lower, but our conversion rates and efficiency is better. So I think SQLs is a better metric. It's a culture change, not only outside of marketing, but inside of marketing to do that.
Yeah, and I'll get on my soapbox